the hell was that? Morning Dove, you go check it out. No, you go check it out. You're the middle child. You're always miserable. You go check it out. Okay, what is going on in here? Mom, Morning Dove isn't checking out the door who he was. Oh, that's a... What the? Who are you? My name is Terrible. Feel the power of my braces. Ah! What the? Oh! No, Morning Dove. It's a gun. What the? No, 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 no. Why the hell are you throwing yourself across the bed? It wasn't me. It was Terror Bird. Terror Bird is back again. Dad, don't just stand and do something. Yeah, I'm the man here. Get out of my house, there, stranger. Please get out of my house. Stay back. No, Papa's protection. No. Oh, you won't be taking me out alive, Terror Bird. Oh. Mom, get him. Kung Fu! Sleeper! Terror Bird, you are surrounded. Please come to our house with your hands over your head. You're surrounded. Get on the ground now. Where is Terror Bird going? I think he's going to the bakery to get us cookies. Why the hell would he get us cookies from the bakery? I don't know. Now everyone, let's play a game. Oh, let's play Hungry Hippopotamuses. Rock Dove, I don't think he means party games. No, Papa's about to have very big chain. Huh? What's going on here? Oh, let's jump out the window, guys, because Terror Bird is going to shoot us. That was close one. I'm back. What? Morning Dove, you came back to life? Terror Bird just shot you. Yeah, I know, in the liver, but I came back to life. I'm gonna pull out his wires. Wait, oh, Morning Dove, you saved us. Turns out, Terror Bird was a robot. Oh, Morning Dove, all you did is pull out his wires? Heck yeah! Terror Bird, kill! What the? No. Ah! Oh no! Terror Bird got revenge! What do we do? What the? You should have never called the U.S. Army Zebra Dove. Yes, I guess I agree with that. What? Oh, the Christmas tree. What the fuck? Was it you? Come get some, terror bird. I found my braces. It's time. Morning dove, you came to save me. Wrong. I'm here to save myself. Well, that was rude. Oh. Terrible! What are you doing in the middle of nowhere? It's literally nighttime. Don't ever interrupt me. What the nominations is going on in here? Do you want to go hang out at the park? Yeah, man. How's life treating you? It's great. And you see this table? That's my success. To becoming the most troublemaker in the world. Yeah. High five. Hey, what is going on over here? Ah! Give me the phone. I'm calling Domino's Pizza. No, I'm calling. No, I'm calling. Give me the phone. I want to call Domino's Pizza. Give me the phone. No, seed boy. Please, give me the phone. Oh yeah, you want? Here. Hey, what's going on in here? I'm glad you're here, Terror Bird. Morning Dove over here wants to take my phone and order Domino's Pizza. Not today. Hey! Hey! What the hell? You just destroyed my phone. Get in my car, everybody. We are going to Domino's. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!